Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we are going to start the new chapter, chapter number 8, Cards and Will. Can you observe this picture? In this picture, you will find out the different vehicles. Here is a car, here is a bullock cart, here is a tractor, bus, cycle, and the traffic signal, right? In this, the which thing is common? All these things having something in circular shape. See the wheels of this cart, block cart, bus, tractor, cycle are in circular shape. As well as we find out the traffic signal having circular light, red, yellow, and green. So here is the one boy and his mother, and they are doing shopping with this vegetable seller, and he was amazed. Hey, see how big this wheel is. I have never seen a wheel like this. Okay, so you must have seen many such round things around you, and you have to list something in your notebook. Even though you also find out there is a drum in a circular shape, that lady is dancing, putting one of the dish on her head, and that dish is also in circular shape. Have you observed that your mama is making chapatis and puris are in circular shape, right? अगर अब भारत का नक्शा होगा तो आप उसको खाओगे भी नहीं. So that boy is playing with the wheel, tire. Basically ये हम बहुत खेला करते थे. Right now I don't know, but this would be a tire. So potter wheel is also in round in shape. So we'll find out the round shape is very common. It is the most revolutionary invention of mankind. The invention of the wheel is quite important. Because of that we can get a lot of tools in our life, right? So you have to observe that. Now turn your page number 82, where you will find out this round bangles. See, your mother is wearing bangles. If she is wearing, then, and how you ever go to a bangle shop? Have you ever go to a bangle shop? I think yes, I have visited many times. I cannot wear these bangles. These are too small, right? So on the bangle shop, you will find out the different size of bangles. Some small, some big, some quite big. Okay, so these are the bangles having different sizes for the different women or girls. Guess which of this bangle is your size? I think mine was this. मेरा हाथ बहुत छोटा है, so I think छोटे वाला आ जाएगा. Or this orange one. Okay. Now take a wire and make a bangle for yourself. Can your madam or mother wear this bangle? I think I said no, because I'm not going to wear this. A bangle can be used to trace a circle. And what are the other things around you that can you use to trace a circle, right? So बैंगल इज यूज टू ट्रेस अ सर्कल. मैंने ट्रेसिंग क्या है मैंने वो सिखाया था, आई थॉट इन प्रीवियस स्टैंडर्ड. सो हियर सर्कल, for tracing a circle we are going to use a bangle. Other than that we can use glass, bowl, right? These are the two things which are in circular shape, and by tracing that you can get the circle shape. Trace a circle with the help of some of these things in your notebook or on the ground, and you have to do it by yourself. Which things makes the smallest circle and which thing makes the biggest circle? You have to compare both the circle. So in this page we have to come to the point on the size of the circles. We can find out some circles are small, some circles are big, right? So this way we can come to the conclusion on the size of the circles, right? Next, on the next page, page number 83, where you will find out the games. Games with circles. Children are playing some games. Look at here. Game number 1. and this is the common game. यहाँ पर क्या करते हैं, all the children are sitting in a circle shape, and one of the students is running around them in a circular shape with the hanky, and then he put this hanky on behind of any of the child, right? And that child will run and the other child will chase them, right? वो उसको चेज करेगा, पकड़ने आएगा, ऐसे कुछ गेम होता है ये. Second number game, in that what you have to do in this, you have to draw a circle and put a hanky in front, in the middle of the circle, and there are two teams, one is here, one is here, one child come from this team and one child come from this team, and both are trying to catch uh, handkerchief first, okay? And those who got the handkerchief, they will win, that team will win. Okay, so this way, this is the team game. And do you play these games, and which song do you sing when you play this game and play these games in your school? So you can try this game, these are super fun. And the why do we make a circle in each of this game? Circle क्यों बनाते हैं? Yes, definitely we can draw rectangle or any other shape, right? We can. So you have to discuss with your parents क्यों इसमें क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है ऐसे. Think of some other games you play by making circles. So you have to find out some other games in which you have to use the circle shape. Next page, page number 84. Making a circle. Okay, now we have aware about the size of the circles, like some circles are small, some circles are big. We can get the circle using the any object by tracing them around. Okay, now next is Naina, Chippu and Archana wants to play a game. They want to make a big circle on the ground, but they cannot make it by tracing. So Archana tries to draw a circle with a stick. एक बड़ा सा circle बनाना है. Right now we are not having that much of big object. Then what will you do? You need to try to draw that circle with your own hands. See, look at here, all these three children are trying to draw circles. Now Chippu and Naina, it does not look like a circle at all. Then Archana said, okay, why don't you both of you try? Now Chippu and Naina both make the circle on the ground. See, यहाँ पे बना रहे one by one. Is any of this a good drawing of a circle? Discuss. See, look at here. Any of this is a good drawing of a circle? I think no. Why? Because they are not looking equal or perfect. Fine. Next is, can you draw a circle on the floor with the chalk? Yes, definitely. You will try it by yourself. Also draw a circle in your notebook using pencil. Okay, you can also draw it with your hand without anything. And look at the circle drawn by your friends who had drawn the best circles. The best circle should be perfect like this. Okay, these circles are not perfectly round. So what do we learn from this story? So we need to we cannot draw a circle perfectly with our hand, right? So what do we do for that, for drawing the perfect circle? Look at the next page, page number 85. Making a circle with a rope. This is the one technique or one trick using that you can draw a perfect circle like this. Fine. So Archana decided to use nails and thread to make a circle on the ground. She took a thin rope and tied nails on both ends of the rope. Then she made a circle with the help of her friend. Look at the picture and see how they are making the circle. See, basically अर्चना ने क्या किया है, यहाँ पे ये नेल वाला पार्ट यहाँ पे पकड़ के रखा, and on the other hand she ties another nail, and that boy is moving all around it with that nail, and they will get the perfect circle. right? So this is the technique. You can use it for while you are making the rangoli. I used to use this technique while I'm making the rangoli. Whenever I need any circular shape, I used to use this because मेरे पास इसके अलावा और कोई टूल होता नहीं है perfect circle के लिए. That's why it is quite good method, actually tried and tasted method. Do the activity in a small group, and each group should take a rope of different length and see the circle made by the different group. See, while you are taking the length of the rope differently, you will get the different size of circles, right? That is for sure. Which group made the smallest circle? You have to do this activity with your friends and find out the answer of all. How long was their rope, and does a longer rope make a bigger circle? Definitely yes. And the shorter rope make a smaller circle. Can you say why? Because उसकी length बढ़ जाती है. Now after this we'll come to the main part, which is the part of the circle, right? Here we are getting the perfect circle. Now what are the parts of a perfect circle? How can we draw the perfect circle without using the rope? So that is by using this is the tool which we are going to use to draw a perfect circle, right? This is called compass. Now I'm going to explain the parts of the circle practically using this circular shape, and I will show you how to draw a circle using the compass and what are the things you should keep in your mind while you are drawing the circle. Look at here, you will find out one circle, right? Where you will find out this is the center of the circle. O and B, this is called the radius of the circle. C and B, which is called the diameter of the circle, right? And this is the boundary of the circle, which is called the circumference of the circle. So these are the basic part that we have to understand. Okay, why we need to understand? Because in the in the further standards or higher standards, you will get the theory and the other concept based on the circle, like perimeter, area, and so many geometrical things, right? Okay, now I'm going to show you these things using the cutout of the circle. This is the circle, and here the boundary. The boundary is called the circumference, right? Circumference matlab boundary. The length of all the boundary of the circle is called the circumference, right? Where here is a center. Okay, अभी मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? I'm just going to fold it. See, the circle is folded in a half, right? But from the center. So that line is called the diameter of the circle. Fine. And the half circle is called the semicircle. ये आधा सर्कल है उसको सेमी सर्कल बोलते हैं. And the line which is passed through the center of the circle is called the diameter. Actually it's a line segment. Why? See, here the line segment is a part of a line. ये line होती है. This is called line. Okay. Here you will get the two arrow on both the direction. So it means that it shows that it is continuously in both the direction, right? But in line segment you will get the part. It is a part of a line. एक टुकड़ा है. Segment मतलब टुकड़ा. So where you will find out the beginning point and the ending point. So this is the line segment. Diameter is the line segment. Then I am going to fold this again from the center. See, now I am having four parts. See, I have already one diameter. I got another diameter. See, ये center में से pass हो रहा है तो ये भी diameter है. Now the line segment which is from the center of the circle to the boundary. Okay, जो एक line segment center से boundary तक जाता है तो वो line segment को हम radius बोलते हैं. So the line segment whose one end point is the center of the circle and another end point lies on the boundary of the circle or on the circumference, then that line is called the radius. So what do we conclude the other things? The radius is half of the diameter. देखो ये radius और ये radius मिला के पूरा diameter बनता है. So radius is half of the diameter and diameter is double the radius. 1 and 2. 2 radius मिला के we are getting this diameter. Okay, so this is the most important equation that I had explained. See, another fact is that we get the n number of radius and the diameter. See, and now I am going to fold this circle like this. अभी मैंने ऐसे fold किया. See, I got the another diameter which is passed through the center of the circle, right? Next, अभी मैं इसको ऐसे fold कर रही हूँ. See, I got the another diameter and here diameter is the 2 times the radius. So we got the n number of diameter and n number of radius. देखो एक और बार, ठीक है? I'm going to fold it from here. See, I got the another diameter. So as I explained, we got the n number of radius and diameter on the circle, not like 1. But the important thing is that all the radius are equal in length. See, can you observe that ये भी size equal है, ये भी equal है, ये भी equal है, ये भी equal है. So we can say that we get the radius of the same size on the same circle. एक ही सर्कल पे सारे रेडियस का मेजरमेंट एक होता है. Same thing we can conclude it for the diameter, that all the diameter on the circle having the same size. एक ही size के diameter होता है, right? So these are the things that I want to show you this practically. So I had show you. Now look at here, I have show you one circle in which you will find out one diameter C and B which is passed through the center of the circle. The line segment which is passed through the center of the circle is only a diameter. Okay. Then OA is a radius. OB is also a radius. OC is also a radius. Now you have clear about the diameter and radius. Now let's begin with the definition. Radius is any line segment from the center to the edge of the circle. All radius are equal in the length. As I had shown you on this circle, right? A circle is a closed curve. Circle क्या है? It is a closed curve. Point on the border of the circle are equidistant from the center of the circle. Now points on the border of the circle. ये circle पे जितने भी points होते हैं वो अपने center से equidistant मतलब equal distance में होते हैं. Now circumference, the length of the boundary of a circle is called the circumference. ये जो boundary की length है उसको बोलते हैं circumference. Now diameter, it is a line segment whose end points lies on the boundary of a circle and it passes through the center of the circle. That is the another condition for the diameter. Now the two equations, diameters are double the radius and radius are half the diameter. All the diameter of the circle are equal in length and it is twice the length of a radii. Look at the workbook. Now I am going to show you some of the practical drawing of the circle. See here, draw a circle using a bangle. Okay. तो बैंगल कैसा होता है आपका सर्कुलर शेप पुट अ बैंगल एंड ट्रेस अराउंड इट लाइक कॉइन देखो ये कॉइन है draw a circle using a coin just put a coin like this hold it and try to trace it all around it. See, I have traced the circle using the coin. Draw a circle using the pencil. So यहाँ पे आपको pencil से बस एक circle बनाना है. I have made. This is not perfect yet. Number 4, draw a circle using compass. Okay, that's super easy. What you have to do, you have to put the pencil over here in this hole and tighten it properly. Make sure the tip of the needle and the tip of the pencil would be at the same level. Okay, then and then it will help you to draw a perfect circle. Put a needle like this and draw a circle. इसको ऐसे गोल गोल घुमाते जाओ, but make sure the needle will not move from its place. See, I draw a circle using the compass and it's a perfect circle. So you can try this for yourself, and after a lot of try you can get the perfect circle. So this is it for the session. Next time we will do solve from the textbook as well as from the workbook. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Goodbye.